Galgalo Jaldesa Guyo is a veterinary medicine graduate. The community calls him doctor. After his studies, he chose to return home here to Booranaa to be part of the traditional Gada ruling system.
It's very, very important because in my life, I hear democracy in my life, I hear. But in Gada class and these traditions, I practically apply whatever everything is. I learn. Now even if I learn the practical applicable democracy, I see them, each who's give the power, go together. There's three Bagadas, just go together. Peacefully, talking together, what different ceremony, talking together, discussing together, solving different issues together. Practically, I get it. I get it. Practically, democracy, I get it.
These children are already becoming leaders. They are sons of men who will vie to become a Bagada. From infancy, they learn different aspects of Booranaa culture. When they are teenagers, their dreadlocks will be shaved. By then, they will be like Galgalo in the fourth stage of the leadership hierarchy called the Kusa.
It's difficult. It's challenging. Now, at different time, in different age groups, we go on a barefoot. Different methods, others different sharp instruments. We didn't say different actions. We pass through that. Around 500 kilometers we go barefoot, from different area to different area. It's challenging. It's difficult to apply, but just it is a best. You have a moral to do that thing is, because of that it makes you easy, because we are happy to do that.
In 2 years' time, Galgalo will be allowed to get married. He will then spend another 24 years of intensive training on subjects including the military, culture, territory, and history of the Booranaa people. When the Oromo man passes from one stage to the next, his duties and way of life change. He becomes more responsible. Aba Gada service goes beyond the generational leadership. Dengiti Haleke Bodo is proud to have served as a servant to one of the Booranaa leaders.
As a servant, I have to tie the Abagada's horse. I water the animals for him. If he wants to call people or pass a message, I do that for him. Without me, he cannot work well.
The women aren't left out either.
As a woman, this Gada law applies to me too. I have roles in supporting my husband. If, for example, a woman is wife of the Aba Gada, she has great powers like him. She supports him to lead.
Galgalo and his colleagues are looking forward to turning 40, when they will be eligible for a role in the Booranaa political administration. After that, one of them will be selected as the next Aba Gada. Guyo Goba has finished his 8-year term. Now he will serve as an advisor until the age of 80 when he retires. Coletta Njohi for CGTN in Booranaa, Southern Ethiopia.